see below, 2019 was a record year for fundraising and investment activity. In terms of assets under management and under distribution, an additional 1.4 billion were raised in 2019, reaching 7.3 billion in terms of total assets committed by our investors. It is worth noting that for the fourth consecutive year, we exceeded the figure of 1 billion per year in new assets. We estimate that in 2020, we will reach and possibly exceed 8 billion. In terms of investment activity, 2019 was also a record year with 1.3 billion in investment commitments.
But as you can see, we have delivered a very, very solid track record so far, both in primaries as well as in secondaries and co-investments. And we've seen a significant growth in attention, in appetite, in terms of the private assets, private markets, and we're convinced that this trend will continue over the next few years. Why? Clearly, not only because they offer a better risk-return profile, but also because we're convinced that this model is very well suited, specifically for the difficult times.
2019 we received an award with a very special meaning for all of us because it came precisely from the industry professionals, both LPs and GPs. The firms awarded are chosen by an industry-wide open vote. Altamar Capital Partners has been awarded PEI 2019 Fund of Funds Manager of the Year in EMEA. Obtaining this award gave us an immense satisfaction since it represents a recognition for our 16 years history focused on providing investment solutions in private assets to institutions, family offices and individuals, always seeking capital preservation, alpha generation and making sure we provide an exceptional service to all our investors. As part of the ESG strategy, the ESG committee approved the annual action plan in which a total of 16 actions were defined to be implemented by September the 30th. Altamar's board also decided to align its ESG policies with the framework to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDA. Likewise, our effort to produce a positive impact on society is reflected in a very special way in the activity of the Altamar Foundation. Its contribution to social projects throughout these months has counted on the enthusiastic collaboration of our shareholders and employees. More than 100 members of our team have been involved throughout our offices in programs and activities focused on social action in the areas of health and education. In addition, we have the advantage of having an excellent and stable team and partners and a loyal and diverse customer base, which makes us strong and will allow us to come out of this crisis even stronger.